Hi there, my name is Kirk Vecchia. I'm a senior software engineer and solution architect here at Ectron Corporation. Today I'm here to talk about our hardware kits for our new exciting Sensors as a Service offering. These systems are designed to work with IO-Link sensors. We are partners with Balluff, so we currently sell IO-Link Balluff sensors that you can buy directly from us on our website that can be used to customize these kits. These kits include these NEMA rated enclosures that will have a Balluff hub that can connect up to 8 different sensors to it, a power supply, and then a gateway that allows you to either connect to internet via Ethernet or via Wi-Fi. Setting it up is very simple. You simply plug in your power cord to the box. You'll see the lights on your hub light up as such. And then you can take one of your sensors, such as this inline gas pressure sensor. You feed it through, line up the ports, and push down and screw it. You can now see that it's connected. Our sensor lights up, and now our system's ready to start collecting data from our sensors. IO-Link sensors has a wide variety of sensors, whether it's things such as the gas pressure, diffuse sensors for object detection, or even ultrasonic sensors that can be used to detect things such as coolant levels or hopper levels, a wide variety of different measures. These kits can be customized with any type of sensors you would like. They are not beholden to just Balluff sensors. In total, there's a little over 32,000 IO-Link sensors available globally. Any IO-Link sensor is compatible with this system. Like I said simply before, you connect it in with your connectors to the port, and then you're ready to go. We have cloud-based dashboarding to see your data coming in real time, which can also be customized for you through a consultation. One thing that we love about these kits are how easy and simple it is to deploy. If you're looking to get extra data for whatever your IoT solution may be, or you're trying to get more data about your manufacturing processes, you pick out the sensors for the data that you're looking for. We simply bring one of these boxes that will come pre-configured for you, and all you need to do is set up, mount where your sensors are going, feed the wires in, and once we have our power and internet connected to the box, you'll have data going up to the cloud. We can work with you if you want that data to go elsewhere. We can help set up pipelines to aggregate that data to maybe if you have your own repository available. It's a great way to get the data from the edge up to your cloud repositories. If you have questions about type of sensors you may be interested in or how the deployment itself can work or how it can tie into your existing offerings, reach out to us. We're happy to talk and consultate on how we can bring the edge data up to your cloud.